Obviously, I hear they're crunchy.
The chips. Spicy pepper chip.
They do have spice in them.
My nose.
It tastes like corny pepper chips. It feels like celery because it's like that little bit of U shape. This is a weird taste.
I give it a thumbs in the middle.
I would give it thumbs in the middle, but a little bit higher. I'd give it a thumbs up. It's pretty good. I like the spice, and I think that's what's key to this chip.
Okay. They're barbecue flavored. They're barbecue. They're pork skins. They're pretty nice. That sounds nasty. I don't know, but it's good.
Well, I guess I got.
This one looks like a glider. I would eat it. I would eat this. I would eat this too. Subscribe and comment down below. Smash that like button.